You know what you do? You just put some lights on the front of your truck. It's just what you do. You just get you some little tabs, drill a hole in it, mock it up a little bit, see where you want it. Then you just take a stick and make a little circular action and something will happen. I don't know. I want to disconnect your battery before you do this, unless you want your computers to be cooked. Me, I prefer them raw, so I'm going to disconnect my battery. And you just kind of tack it on there. It also helps if you clean the paint, so you don't have to do that. But I fixed it in the end. Also, don't worry about the camera not having a cover on it. You don't need to worry about all them arc flash and all that junk. It'll be fine. Yeah, make it a little more permanent. Shiny. Also, don't worry about the truck. It's fine. I don't care about it. Could have been worse, but it definitely ain't going nowhere. That's for sure. Hear that ring. And then she's done. And then let's look at this rat's nest I got going on. Oh yeah. Barely even gonna burn down. But it's okay. It's not a Dodge. See, it's stuck up in there and it ain't even gonna get stuck on your foot so you can't hit the brake. It's fine. Alright, let's see if I'm retarded or if I actually wired it correctly. Oh well, would you look at that? I'm retarded and I wired it correctly. I guess two things can be true at once. Anyway, see ya.